I truly recommend Orchis for all the interior works for their car. A big thumbs up to them. Hello friends, I've come here to Orchis Vikhroli West. I've come here for my TATA NEXON steering wrapping in leather. So there were many options, and so I wanted to opt for the steering wrapping. Outside also there were many options, but I opted for Orchis because I've heard many good reviews from them in the past. So I wanted to do the work over here only, and the wrapping was very good. I am very satisfied with Orchis. And so there were two options. One was with red threading and another one was with the silver threading, so with the stitching. So they guided me. I wanted red, but they told me to opt for the silver one as it will go with the theme of the car, that is black and silver interior. So I opted for that, and I'm very happy with the work that they have done. I truly recommend Orchis for all the interior works for their car. A big thumbs up to them. Thank you.